What up, everyone? It's your boy Floz MG, and I know, lighting not really the greatest, but I'm recording it late in the day. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, I think. So this is going to be my attempt at one guy, 15 different animal voices, impressions, sounds, mating calls. I don't know what it technically would be. Who cares? Let's just get right into it.
Roo, 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 roo. Hump day! Mike. Guess what day it is, Mike? Guess what day it is? Oh my. Meh. That's a decade-old joke.
Well, that's done and over with, and my vocal cords are destroyed. I hope you enjoyed that because I kind of did some probably irreparable damage to myself, and I'm gonna go rest it off. So for now, I've been Floz MG. This has been one guy, 15 animal voices, impressions, sounds, mating calls. I don't know what to call it yet. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I might do even more animal impressions. You let me know which animal impressions you want me to do next, if I do that.